1, 2. Good. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Make sure shoulder turn, Jocelyn. Like this. Okay. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3 now. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3. Good. Yeah. Important right here. Shifting weight all the way to the back feet. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Again. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 2, 3, 2. Start from right hand, left foot, right hand, and come back. Ready? 2, 3, 2. Good. Make sure your weight shifting forward, back, forward, come back in your stance. Okay. Make sure your shoulder turns too. Ready? 2, 3, 2. No, right hand, good, right hand. Ready? 2, 3, 2. Good job. Good job. 2, 3, 2. Good, Johnny. 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 2. Good. When you hit, make sure it hands up. Okay. Again. 2, 3, 2. Good, Johnny. 2, 3, 2. Good. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 90 degrees right here. Not here. Here. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back to 1, 2. 1, 2. Good. 1, 2. Good. There you go. Those two turning well. Okay, you two not turning well yet. Okay, make sure your hip turn. 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 Not just turning, make sure you kick the ground. Ready? 1, 2. Good. 1, 2. Good. 1, 2. Good. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3 now. Go. Good. 1, 2, 3. Good. Turn more, Josh, for the 2. Now turn your shoulder well. 1, 2, 3. Johnson, you 2. Turn 2. Here, not this. You're almost like giving back. Come forward. Turn your shoulders. Okay? 1, 2, 3 again. Go. Good. 1, 2, 3. Go. Good. Don't turn your face with the hips. Stay straight. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Good, Johnny. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Good. 1, 2, 3. Good, Josh. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4 again. Good, there you go. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, go.